like that. So as a first you're gonna do, make sure you pick the beads and let it set a little bit. And then you're gonna spread them out, divide it like you are doing a roses. The petals like have a half moons, and you start using a body of the 3D brush. Spread it out. Is do you know the petal is better? Pick up the same beads amount, like a same size of the beads for the second petals. And leg overlap. That'd be the big one. Same thing, you're gonna using a body of the brush. I want to make sure that I can see Facebook. If all of you on Facebook, thank you so much for tuning in. We love to have your joys. If you would like to share with the bestie, please feel free to share it to them. I can't sharing it somehow. Mine's got like a block, so I can't sharing it. So if you love and care for your friends, it's all brought to you free from Glitz Accessory and such. So please feel free to sharing it to your friends, so all your friends can learn that as well. So I'm picking up the third bead. Same size as the beads I have it before. And let it set for a second. Hi Beba, how are you? Hello, how are you? Can't see. Hi Classic Nails, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. This is super basics, simple, easy, quick, fast way in a salon doing your 3D flowers, which is 3D flowers. I am gonna do 3 petals, and I'm gonna do ones right here, and just center right here and Soar in. Drop one right there. Gonna be Soar. Give it a little Soar. This is one simplest way to do for a beginner if you don't want to do too many layers. That's one of the simplest way to doing this. Great. You can do the same thing with the other one. Do a smaller one. Let's do smaller ones. Smaller petals. Same techniques you're gonna do using a body, using a tip to separate the petals, so then it looks like a half moon, and you're using a body to draw and spread and thin down your petals. It looks so cute. Like this time I'm showing you different flowers from last few times video. This gonna be 2 petal only. It's like they overlap each other's. Just little beads right in the center. I am going to Soar that. Make it a twist. There you go. This one is simple, then all of beginner can really do it. Don't make yourself too confused and too difficult to do. I'm gonna make some bigger one. And one's right here. And just make a little twist. What? Can't see.
I know. Just supposed to say
Hello,
Clarissa.
Clarissa. Thank you so much, sweetie. Thanks so much for tuning in. Just little one. There you go. Just a little twist. And then if you want to do some leaf, you're gonna using the tip of the brush and the body of the brush. Tip of the brush to separate it now, and tip of the brush to draw and to sculpting the powder to the way you want it. Make sure you are the one controlling powder. Here's what tip and trick I would like to share. It took me 4 years to learn this with how to sculpting the 3D flowers. I couldn't get it down. Even taking some classes, I couldn't even get it down because they were never going to show you like really detailed with this. That's how I sharing with you. So that's why, of course, I never achieved it successful. And then I keep practicing, never give up. And one day I realized that, you know, absolutely everything we're doing, even liquid and powder, we are the one that control the powder. We control the products. So as long as you know that you control it, like if you want to guide it square, it's going to be square. If you want to make it round, it's going to be a round. If you want to make it like a triangle, it's going to be a triangle. Just make sure that you control it. And like I'm saying right now, I want to portrait it out and draw the looks of the leaves. Maybe do one smaller one. Using a tip, dip in my brush in my monomers and using the tip, still wet. Wait for a second. One more, and then I think it should be good. Because we don't want to do too much. It's cover our dramatic glitter underneath. Using a tips and guide my brush of the brush and guide and sculpting my cute leaves for the roses. This one I just want a smaller leaves because the rose is small, so we want to get a smaller one. One more. Get a smaller. If you want to add some crystal on, you can. If you want just by itself like this, I think it looks freaking cute as well. I'm so excited today. Like I got to share so many different cool design from basics of liquid and powder and advanced. Some flower. It's take you a little bit time to practice. Don't give up. Just keep exactly doing what I'm showing you, and you will get it. I'll teach all my students to get it in one day, while me taking 4 years. So they all get it in like 1 day learning. So I'm freaking like amazed. So it looks good. If you're happy with this, that's all you need. And then you can put some beads on it. Let me put some beads so then you can see.